Did you know that honking sounds and is seen differently in every part of the world? Let me explain better. You see, honking is seen differently around the world based on traditions. For example, America has just one big angry note, but in Europe it is way different. They use a dual tone setup to sound more polite, all because the laws are strict and prohibit you from just spamming the honk. But then there are places where it's super strict, like in the UK. Honk for more than 5 seconds and you're getting thrown straight in jail. And Japan took this even further, because there, honking is seen as a social crime, and you can get a lot of hate just for honking. Therefore, they won't honk no matter what. That is why Japanese cars have a lighter honk. Or else you can switch up completely and go to India, where they basically talk by honking. Like seriously, you honk so much that you can't hear anything else.